वालेकुम सलाम सर।
जी सर जी everybody is welcome. सर ये कह दें अपने रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए.
यस सर.
Okay जी, we start with the new job today, and that is aggregate impact value. Aggregate impact value. Impact value. There is another job which is the 7th in series, and this will be conducted when you will be returning back to the campus, inshallah, because its description that needs some clarification. So we will be discussing today the aggregate impact value. I told you that PRC1 lab, this is basically regarding, it is mainly related to the evaluation of the strength of the material and other properties of the material for the formation of the concrete or the preparation of the concrete, and the final outcome is the mixed design. Finalizing the mixed design, that is the outcome. Now, as you know, that when the all the materials in civil engineering, those are under some sort of stresses under the application of the load. That may be continuously and gradually applied. That load may be gradually applied, or that load may be abruptly at once or suddenly applied. Okay? Like simple is hitting the nail, similarly kicking the football, similarly hitting the ball, or the blast. And certainly wherever there is a blast, that has an impact load which is suddenly applied on the material, on the surrounding, on the brickwork, on the concrete structure. So it is very important to get the idea about the resistance that may be offered by the aggregate under the impact loading. So impact load is a load that is applied suddenly, impact load. And also you have performed the impact, the job related to the impact loading. जो आपने स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल लैब में भी जो है ना वो इम्पैक्ट लोड अप्लाई किया होगा इन टेंशन और इन बेंडिंग. ठीक है, 4 P's इम्पैक्ट टेस्ट, 4 P's इम्पैक्ट टेस्ट. ठीक है, so impact is a suddenly applied load. Now if the aggregates crush stone that is under the application of impact loading, what will be its response? What will be, up to what an extent it will resist that impact load? So this is to be evaluated. Okay? Now the significance is that when you are constructing, specifically when you are constructing the road over there, the running vehicle, those are running vehicles are applying the load, and there may be suddenly brakes that need to be applied by the vehicle, and certainly it will strike against the surface of the aggregates, and what will be the resistance that will be offered by that aggregate, it is to be estimated in this job. So it is very important to find out the aggregate impact value. What is this one? Actually, we are applying the load, sudden load on the aggregate, and what will be the resistance that will be offered by this aggregate. It is to be evaluated more. And how can this be evaluated? As you know, when you will be applying the sudden load, there will be the crushing of the aggregate. If more crushing takes place under the application of impact loading, it means it is a soft material. If it gives you small deterioration, okay, then it means it is a tough material. And this measurement against the measurement of the resistance of the aggregate against impact loading is known as toughness. Is known as toughness. Okay. So I would also suggest or this is a tip. Okay, please keep class notes registered with you. All the things are not written in the manual. There are other discussion and information that would be available during the conduct of this lecture. So you must keep the class notes registered with you. Also, it will help you at the time of preparation, and also you are to submit it at the end of the session as well. So toughness is a qualitative term. It shows you the resistance of the material against the scratching, against the impact loading. So if the aggregate crashes more, it is less tough. If it crashes less, it is more tough. Okay. Now, as far as the apparatus is concerned, coarse aggregate, impact testing machine, tamping rod, and ballast. These are the items of the apparatus. Now, you will be getting the aggregate, and what should be the aggregate? The specifications about the aggregate or the limitations. You may say the limitation. And what are those limitations? You are to take the sample which must pass through sieve half inch, but retain on 3 by 8 inch. Size of the aggregate is in between half inch to 3 by 8 inch. Okay? And it should be dried for a period of 4 hours before it is being tested. It must be oven dried sample. And why oven dried sample? If it is having some moisture within the sample or on the surface of the sample, it will affect the reading. It will affect the reading. So first of all, the material which is passing through half inch retained on 3 by 8 inch should be dried in the oven for 4 hours, and then you will, what will you do? You will fill the cup in 3 layers, and each layer will be given 25 number of blows. You can see this one. This is the description of the apparatus. This is the impact value test apparatus of the machine. This is the weighing balance. This is measuring cylinder. Just you will take this material and it will be placed in this way in this cup. It will be filled in 3 layers, and each and every layer will be given 25 number of strokes with the tamping rod. So 25 number of blows in 3 layers. Okay? And then you will be preparing the sample, and you will weigh this sample that you have obtained, and the extra surplus material will be removed from this cup. Now, after you have obtained this sample, it will be placed inside the machine, like you can see this one. This is the graphical representation, or this is the physical, this is the figure of the machine, snap of the machine. So you can see this is the cup. This will be filled with the aggregate, and that will be placed underside. Now this apparatus, this machine is comprising of a hammer. You can see this one. This can fall freely, and its mass and height that is given over there. Now this mass will strike against the material aggregate, against the aggregate material, and how you can see this mass is there, and it will be lifted up. These are the handles just to hold the machine, the hammer. There is a hook. When you will be lifting up this mass, it will automatically, by through sliding operation, it will be held by this hook. Okay? And when you will try to release it, then you will just lift it up and automatically this hook will open and make it free. It will make this mass free and it will fall freely on the sample. This you can see. There will be a sample that you have prepared and you have taken the weight of the sample, which will be labeled as A, total weight of the oven dried sample. Okay, after you have prepared you have filled this material in the cup in 3 layers with 25 number of blows. Okay, then you will hold this handle and it will be lifted up. When you will lift it up, then this hook will get open when it will be striking with the underface of this uh, support. Then it will strike against this support and it will fall freely on the sample. Now it will be crushed and you need to make it fall freely for 15 times. 15 times it will be it will be it will you can see the cup shall be fixed firmly on the base of the machine and whole of the test sample placed in it and compacted by 25 of tamping rod. Hammer shall be raised until by 15 inches height, okay, and upper surface of the cup and allowed fall freely. Test sample shall be subjected to total 15 number of blows. Total 15 blows. How these blows? This hammer this hammer will strike against the top surface of the sample. So 15 times. 15 times it will fall. 15 times. It should be remembered. So 15 number of blows will be given, delivered at an interval of not less than 1 second. Now, after you have applied 15 blows, then the material will be taken out. This crushed material that will be taken out, okay, and it will be passed. It will be sieved on sieve number 7. It will be sieved on sieve number 7. This crushed material, after the application of impact from the hammer, it will be sieved through sieve number 7 until no further significant amount passes in 1 minute. So this process of sieving will be continued for 1 minute, and the material that has sieved through this sample, that will be collected and that will be labeled as weight B. That will be labeled as weight B. So total low weight is A and crushed material passing through sieve number 7 is weight B. And the retained material, that will be weight C. So the summation of B plus C should be equal to A, because no material has lost. And if the difference is by 1 gram total and B plus C, the difference is by more than 1 gram, then this test should be repeated. This should be repeated and the previous one should be discarded. Now, how we will be calculating the impact value? Impact value is very simple, that it is the crushed material B passing through sieve number 7 divided by total material into 100. It means aggregate impact value is basically giving you an idea about the percentage percentage of the crushed material with respect to the total weight. Up to what an extent the aggregate has got crushed, up to what percentage, by what percentage the aggregate has got crushed. This will be giving you the numerical value of which is known as aggregate impact value. Aggregate impact value. Aggregate impact value. Now, this value is helpful in deciding, in finalizing the aggregate material for the selection to be selected for the construction of the road as well as for the concrete material. And this concrete is to be used where there is a threat of blast, where there are chances of the impact loading, like on the bridges, which is constructed using the concrete material. So you can also take the help of the lab manual as well as you can take the help of the internet. Description is available over there, and you can have the detail about this aggregate impact value. Now, more is the impact value. अगर impact value ज़्यादा है तो इसका क्या मतलब है, वो मटेरियल टफ है या सॉफ्ट है? Anyone from the class? Anyone from the class? जी. Anyone from the class? जी. हाँ जी हमजा जी. If the aggregate impact value is more, is it showing you the material is tough or soft? Aggregate value, impact value ज़्यादा है तो क्या मतलब होगा? Soft हो, शाबाश, soft हो. और aggregate impact value अगर ये कम है तो इसका मतलब है कि aggregate tough है. Tough है. It can resist more the impact loading. It can resist more the impact loading. Now, on what factors it depends? Impact value. कौन से factors हो सकते हैं? हाँ जी. Anyone? शाबाश. Zunaira? Zunaira? You are being removed from the meeting. Zunaira?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, so क्या बात है, जवाब क्यों नहीं देते कि 3-4 दफा मुझे बोलना पड़ा. आप मुझे ये बताएं कि what are the factors on which the aggregate impact value depends? I think you are not attending the session. हाँ जी, शमसुर रहमान.
Yes, sir.
बेटा ये बताओ कि भाई in your view, what may be the factors on which it will be depending? Aggregate impact value. What might be the factors?
Sir, उसके aggregate का weight.
नहीं. अच्छा, और वेट से क्या होगा? क्रशिंग वेट के साथ इसका क्या ताल्लुक है? हाँ जी. 56.
ये सर.
आप बताएंगे आपके भाई किस चीज पे डिपेंड करता है ये?
सर एग्रीगेट के साइज पे डिपेंड करता है.
साइज तो वो फिक्स कर दिया हमने, लिमिट कर दिया कि ये 1/2 इंच से 3/8 इंच के दरमियान में. कोई हाल नहीं है. It will be depending upon very simple कि it will be depending upon the source of the material. अगर source ही soft है, मतलब soft query जो material soft query से हासिल किया हुआ है, जो tough नहीं है, hard नहीं है, तो फिर ये crushing ज़्यादा होगा. Secondly, if the material is pointed or that is angular, then the protruded edges, जो मतलब है जो sharp edges होंगे, those will break earlier. अगर sharp edges होंगे, pointed होगा aggregate, तो जिस वक्त आप when you will be applying the load, those will get crushed. So more crushing may take place if the material is from the quarry which is soft, and secondly the shape. If the shape is pointed, angular, then it will be giving you more crushing value. More crushing value, higher impact value, and the material is soft. ठीक है? ठीक है? हाँ भाई.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अयान. समझ आ रही है बात की? अयान.
यस सर, समझ आ रही है.
ओके जी. हसन सज्जाद.
यस सर.
ओके जी. लाइबा.
Yes, sir.
लाइबा. Is it clear
Yes, sir.
everything? अच्छा जी. मोहसिन राना.
यस सर.
कोई चीज पूछने वाली?
नो सर.
ओके जी. कमर हबीब. कमर हबीब. कमर हबीब. हाँ भाई, समझ आ रही है बात की?
यस सर, आ रही है.
ओके जी. रोजी. रोजी
यस सर.
जी. हाँ बेटा, कोई चीज पूछने वाली? ओके जी. So this is regarding the description of the today's job. Very simple. So impact value, aggregate impact value means you will be applying the impact loading on aggregate, and if its value is more, it means it is soft. If its value is less, so it means it is showing you the percentage of the material that has got crushed. The percentage of the crushing material is basically the impact value. Very simple. हाँ जी. So the observations and calculations are given over there, B and C. ठीक है. Sample type, where from have you obtained? This may be Saki server, Magla, Sagoda या इस तरह का जो है ना, total weight, crushed material, and the remaining material and impact value, and then you will be commenting upon that. So this is regarding today's job, and you can also take the help of the advantage of the internet facility. And if you are having any ambiguity, confusion, that may be pointed out, because this was very smart, short job, so I tried to convene it, or it has been conducted. So any person from the class, if you are having any ambiguity, confusion, any relevant detail is needed, everybody is welcome. Please. Ji. Anybody? इज इट ओके? हाँ भाई उजैर ठीक है?
ठीक है।
ये आप अटेंडेंस ले लें और कल की क्लास नहीं होगी वो आज होगी कंडक्ट, ये अटेंडेंस ले लो बस। ठीक है?
यस सर, अटेंडेंस ले लीजिए।
ओके, सो अल्लाह हाफिज़ जी एवरीबॉडी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।